In this video, me and my dad are going to build a new setup for my second fire alarm board in my room. This project took 2 days to complete and it turned out amazing at the end. I hope you enjoy. This project began when my dad suggested a new idea to install on the new board in my room after selling all of my Nerf guns. We already had a previous new setup for another fire alarm during Christmas, but we'll get to that later in the video. Basically, my dad ordered 2 buttons and LEDs for this project where we connect them to a back box with a power supply and then a bell above that. We did get a little carried away with this and never ended up actually doing this project until today, which is May 24th, the day this video was recorded. First thing we needed was supplies. So we went to our local Ace Hardware and picked up 4 back boxes and conduit for wiring. I decided to use 2 devices instead of 1 since I wanted to have an ability to switch devices depending on a switch. For the devices, I chose a System Sensor SSM24-6 motor bell and my Federal Signal 450D that has been sitting on the shelf since I got it last year. The first part was getting the buttons and the LEDs set up. Here's a diagram on how it was supposed to work. Basically, we would have our power supply, a red button that is normally closed, a green button that is normally open, a relay, 2 LEDs, and 2 devices. The red button is what would power off the devices, which would not make them sound off. Meanwhile, if you press the green button, the devices are activated and they will sound depending on what position the switch is at, which we will get to later. Anyways, let's get to work. Up.